Hi friends, Francesca Montorio here. Today I want to share with you my new layout made with the March 2024 kits. For this layout I use an exclusive cut file, Floral lace background. The subscriber cut files are available for free to hipkitclub subscribers. But if you are not subscribed, you can easily buy the cut files individually on the site. Okay, now let's start with the project. First, I cut the cut file with my Cricut Maker on a white cardstock. And now I cover it with the papers I chose before. Perfect. Now I do some stitching with the colored threads to make the cut file stand out. It has small holes, perfect for this use. It takes a bit of patience, but the result is sensational. It's very relaxing for me. Initially for this layout I had created a watercolor background, but then I wasn't very convinced, so I changed my mind. Wow, I stitched all flowers and now I use this fern green cardstock for my background. I prepare my layering for the photo using the die cuts from the kit. I add the sweet rabbit, some label and words. Okay, I like it. And then I start to decor my page with these beautiful flowers die cuts to create a frame. I love add on my pages more and more flowers. I love the flowers. I also love these cute bunnies, so I fussy cut them up and added a little personality by drawing a smiley face and adding a cute bow. Mamma mia, they are so cute! I also add these beautiful puffy sticker buttons to the center of the flowers to give a whimsical touch. I definitely have to add these cute little hearts too. They look so lovely for me. Well, for the title, I chose this chipboard. I am really happy with how it turned out. I hope you like it too. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer you. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a wonderful, happy, crafty day. Bye!